Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install Flutter with Brew on MacBook and Flutter setup in Intellij IDEA. Install Flutter on Mac using Homebrew with install commands. Brew install Flutter. After the installation, I will be creating a new project with create command on terminal. Flutter create tutorial. Now open the project from terminal with open commands for Flutter setup in Intellij IDEA. I want to make sure Flutter SDK path already set or not from settings. If not, I need to set to paths. But it's already set. Now install the Flutter and Dart plugins. If not installed, select the Flutter and Dart plugin and click install, then click restart after installation. Flutter SDK path like this. Open IO simulator from here. And run the app.